I'm sorry. If anybody's been scammed by her, like, please hit me up, comment below. Like, we really need to get her ass out of here. Like, she got to go. I need to get her YouTube page shut down. Like, sis, you got to get up out of here.
Welcome to Unmasking Kristin Vargas, the credit repair scammer. In this short expose, we reveal the deceptive practices of a con artist preying on vulnerable individuals seeking financial relief. Join us as we uncover the truth behind Kristin Vargas's fraudulent schemes and learn how to protect yourself from falling victim to credit repair scams. Stay tuned, and let's shine a light on the darkness of deceit.
Her name on YouTube is Expert Credit Suites. I done found mug shots to this lady. I've been watching her since 2018, okay? To all these bad reviews that are recent, like, I don't know what's wrong with this lady. She shaved off half her head. If she had a shaved head in 2018, I probably wouldn't have messed with her. Shit is weird.
The credit repair industry, riddled with untrustworthy practices and broken promises, often preys on the desperate. Countless individuals, driven by the need to escape financial hardship, fall victim to alluring offers of quick fixes and easy solutions. These clients, desperate to change the present situations, are willing to believe any promise that fits their perception of convenience. In this expose, we delve into the grim reality of the credit repair industry, uncovering the tactics used to exploit vulnerability and the urgent need for awareness and vigilance.
Long story short, I've been scammed by a woman that I found on YouTube to fix my credit. She has almost 30,000 subscribers, and her YouTube videos are informational. But anyways, here is her profile on YouTube, Kristin Vargas, and I'm gonna show y'all proof that she's a scammer and I may be a victim of fraud now. So here you guys can pause it and read it. This woman was using people's social security numbers to commit fraud for identity and shit. Like,
woman is spending the night in the Saratoga County Jail without bail. State police say Kristin Vargas had more than 80 fraudulent Western Union and MoneyGram orders, totaling more than $46,000. She's been charged with possession.